everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is going to be a Tesco food shop. It's going to be very different to how it usually is set out. That is because my shifts have changed. So for the first time in a long time, myself and Dan are going to be like ships passing in the night, so we're not actually going to be spending many evenings together. Which has resulted in Dan using the car, because we only have one car, and me having using other transport to get to work. So I did a food shop and I needed Dan to collect it and put it away. I didn't expect for 1 minute that he was actually going to vlog it, but he has done. So you've got a Tesco food haul courtesy of Dan. So yeah, I think for entertainment value, I may as well edit and upload this, and let's see how he did. I will say that I did have a couple of phone calls asking where stuff went. He's not incapable, it's just that this is a role that I've taken over. So for many years, it's just something that I've just naturally done. I've ordered the food, I've collected the food, and I've put the food away. I'm the one who is in control of most of the meals. I think in any relationship or partnership, you just naturally fall into those sort of roles and you each bring something to the table. Like, I don't really spend much time doing the garden, so when the weather is nice, Dan will sort the garden out, or he will sort the car out. Like, there's different things and we play to our own strengths, and mine is usually just sorting out the food. So I will stop rambling and let's enjoy Dan's Tesco food haul.
Hello everybody, 18Dapper here, taking over Miss18Dapper's channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider clicking subscribe. If you are part of Vicky's little sub family, I'm sure she massively appreciates you. 420 subscribers now, let's get it up to 500 and on the way to 1,000, because she does put a lot of hard work into this channel. But you don't normally see me, I'm normally knocking around on kind of food based videos when we used to do the snack surprise, which I hope will come back at some point. Vicky, when you're editing this, let's get back on it. But yeah, me and Vicky, we're on different rotations this week, which is sad. I'm here on my own, but that means that I've had to do the full adulting and go and pick up the click and collect for Tesco food haul on my own. Yeah, please give me sympathy. But food wise this week, I am having a chicken pasta pesto tonight. Nice easy meals for me because I am on my own. Omelette and beans on Wednesday. I'm out on Tuesday, football, Salford at home. Thursday, chicken, Kiev and veg. I'm looking forward to that one. And then Friday, a giant Yorkshire pudding with mint, onion, mash and gravy all inside it. For Vicky, she's having Kiev chips, veg and mayo, fish cakes, rice, salad, sweet chilli sauce, chicken nuggets, baked beans and chips, falafels, salad, couscous wrap and mayo, and chicken pasta pesto with halloumi. So similar meals, but we're having to cook separately. I think Vicky will probably end up cooking to take some stuff to work. Obviously I'm on days, so I have a breakfast. Need to stop that sooner rather than later. With the wedding coming up, I need to start losing some weight. But Vicky's breakfasts look very nice. Scrambled egg on toast, porridge oats, banana, honey and pecans, bacon and egg butty on Wednesday, muesli, natural yoghurt, honey and fruit on Thursday, and then scrambled eggs on toast on Friday. And then we will be back together on the weekend. I'm looking forward to it because I'm missing her already and it's only Monday. But I've waffled on far too much. I hope the waffles. But yeah, let's get into this Tesco food haul and show you what we've got this week. Obviously that's the meals that we're having. We should have all the ingredients to make them. Let's get into it. Now, I will apologise straight off the bat with this one. I know Vicky goes through it systematically and shows you what we've got for fridge and fruit and stuff. I'm just doing it bag by bag, absolutely causing chaos on Vicky's channel. So let's get this started. We have got some oranges in there. We've got some salad cream and tomato ketchup. We have got the last melon. Charlie is ringing his bell. He's wanting a treat. Let's carry on with this. We've got some beans, we've got some extra long life AA batteries. I will let you viewers work out what they are for. Obviously we're on different shifts, I'll leave that one there. We have got 6 orange zest citrus fizz. Yeah, orange zero citrus fizz cans, 6 of those. We have got some chocolate sugar dusting. We've also got some vanilla sugar dusting. I have no idea what those are for. I'm sure Vicky will let you know. Some Skinny Whip, they will be for Vicky. She's doing really well on her diet. We've got lots of peppers which will go in the meals. We've got some of these milk chocolate tea cakes. They are beautiful with the marshmallow in the middle. We've got some baby plum tomatoes which will go in the meals as well, and a British cucumber. We've got a bag of pears up here. We have got, how many bananas is this? Far too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas. There we go. We have got some British all-rounder potatoes. Bottle of juice. We do go through quite a bit of juice. Obviously, Halloween coming up as well, so we've got a tub of Tang Fastics. Any kiddos watching this and coming round for some trick or treating, bugger off. These are mine. And then finally, we have got some wholemeal bread at the back. So that is bag number 1. Plenty of food there. We've got 2 more bags to get through. On to bag number 2, and before we move any further on, I'm sure Vicky goes through pricings and stuff, so if you are a regular to the channel, thank you for supporting Vicky. It does mean a lot to her and to me, because she does put a lot of effort into it. But yeah, I am not doing this Tesco food haul any justice because I haven't got a clue on any of the prices. I'm just going to go through what was in bag number 2. We've done bag number 1. What we've got is some more juice. We've got some Vimto, and then we've got some blackcurrant. Like I say, we do like as juice. And then we've got a massive 24 box. 24? Yes, 24 box of Tango Apple. We take these into work because it's about 15 quid for a can at work. It is ridiculous. So yeah, that's probably an exaggeration. I think it's about 80p, but still, this is much cheaper. We have got some Whitworth shots, toffee and pecan. I believe they'll be Vicky's. And then we've got a couple of Pucker nighttime teas. We've got Blissful Rest and Sweet Dreams, berry. Nighttime berry and just nighttime, yeah. Blissful Rest, Sweet Dreams. I must admit, I do like a couple of those before bed. It does seem to make you sleep slightly better. Next up, we have got some Tesco white chocolate. I'm not sure if that's for me or for Vicky, so as soon as I see her when she gets back from work, I will be asking what I'm allowed to chow down on. We've got some caramel cake bars as well. A couple of onions, 1 brown, 1 red, and then we've got 2 tubs of pesto, red pesto and green, and then we've got some crisps as well. We have got sea salt and Chardonnay vinegar. There we go, very posh. Tesco's finest crisps, but the best crisps in the world are Bunny Bites. Slightly salted, beautiful Bunny Bites. Look at that bunny. Horrific. And now for the third and final bag, we have got quite a bit of food here. We have got some Maltesers, some Granny Smith apples. We have got the pecan nuts, which is for Vicky's breakfast, I believe. Packet of paracetamol, pretty much a staple in this house. We have got some grated cheese, a couple of packs of that. We've got some fromage frais, they look like the old petit filou sort of things. There is 12 of those, they look quite nice. A big bottle of milk. We do like us coffee and a cereal. Vicky has got herself, oh no, I think that will be for me because I love a white chocolate, hot chocolate. So yeah, I think that's going to be in my belly soon. We've got some fresh apple juice. Don't know how fresh it is, but it's yeah, from concentrate, so I don't think it's fresh. We've got some apple juice. 15 British eggs. We've got some Zaflora at the back, some reduced fat butter pack spreadable, some soft cheese, some vanilla and honey candles. Don't think they'll taste very nice, but they might smell lovely. Natural yoghurt for Vicky's breakfast, some Cypriot halloumi, got a couple more bars of chocolate here. We've got Miss Molly's milk chocolate and some Dairy Milk little bars. And then we've got some upside down corners, vanilla chocolate balls and banana chocolate flakes. In the comments down below, which are your favourite corners? I think mine would probably be the strawberry with white chocolate balls, but banana and chocolate flakes is a close second. Moving on to this bit, we have got some spicy chorizo slices. Looking forward to those. We've got the breaded garlic chicken Kievs, some a bag of salad there. We've got some frozen mixed veg, nice and easy, just to stick in a pan and get cooking. We've got some spinach. How much mince is this? 5% reduced fat. 250 grams of mince there. Vicky's got some blueberries, a punnet of raspberries, some cod and parsley fish cakes as well. These are decent. We've got some muffins, blueberry muffins, best before 26th. Oh, and I am videoing this on the 23rd, so you're going to have to eat them very quickly. And then finally, we've got some closed cut mushrooms. So that is the food shop. I am seeing a lack of giant Yorkshire pudding here. I'll be having words. Yeah, that is our food shop. So guys, that brings me to the end of taking over Vicky's channel for a Tesco food haul. Hope you've enjoyed the absolute chaos that was. Got a few more bits to put away, but yeah, lots of food. Hopefully going to enjoy cooking and eating it all this week. But yeah, just got to get it all away now. So I'm going to leave this one here. Obviously it's not as slick as what Vicky normally does. She says the prices of stuff and she has much more of an idea of when we're going to be eating stuff and how we're going to be eating it. For me, this is just a load of food. I don't know how it goes together. I'm not a cook, but this is why we're together. She feeds me and I'm not sure what I give back in return, but there we go. But yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. If you've enjoyed it, please stick a big thumbs up on it for us, please. Comments, get them in the section down below. Let me know if you've enjoyed me taking over Vicky's channel, or if you want Vicky back, please show her the support and let her know that she is much needed on her own channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. She puts tons of effort into this, along with working, keeping me in line, going to the gym. She is an absolute superwoman, so please show her support by clicking subscribe and hopefully enjoying more of her future content coming up. But yeah, all that's left for me to say is thank you for watching and hopefully see you in Vicky's next video.